Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at a power supply from what has possibly become my favourite lineup of all time. This is the Thermaltake Smart BX1 RGB 750w bronze rated power supply unit. Like its baby brother that we looked at a few months ago, this also is built to last with its 80+ bronze efficiency, also installed with a 10 LED RGB fan to provide optimized performance based airflow with premium components to sustain continuous power output even at 40 degrees centigrade, with a 5-year warranty to give you that extra peace of mind. The 10 RGB LEDs come pre-installed on the 120mm fan, capable of displaying 7 colours: red, green, blue, yellow, purple, light blue and white, 3 illumination modes including pulse, fully lighted and RGB cycle, and the LED off mode. So for those who are interested, this is how they look. So just for a side note for you, the RGB lighting effects are controlled by the large button on the rear of the PSU only, and are not software controlled. Like the 650W version we looked at a few weeks ago, this is also installed with flat black anti-tangle cables, which are very easy to bend and weave into the hardest spots of any PC case, which making the installation that little bit easier. This 750W model will handle the likes of an i7 or a Ryzen 7 processor paired with the likes of something like a RTX 20 Ti, and still have a little room for extra drives and some overclocking headroom. The best thing about the Smart BX1 lineup is the number of connections that you get for your money and its near silent operation. The Smart BX1 hosts one 24-pin motherboard connection, one ATX connection, 8 SATA connections, 4 GPU power connections, 4 Molex and the outdated floppy drive connections. Measuring at 150mm wide, 86mm tall, 144mm depth, this thing sure is small, so I suggest not using it with an ATX case with a PSU window cutout, and as it looks kind of silly, but an MATX version of the same case with a PSU cutout should look absolutely fine. Well, as this is the second PSU in the Smart BX1 lineup to receive our gold reward, I do think it is necessary at this time to give the Smart BX1 lineup our Editor's Choice Award. This is given due to its features, ease of use, aesthetic looks and price to performance throughout this outstanding product lineup, so congratulations Thermaltake, this is very well deserved indeed. So if you'd like to go ahead and buy one of these PSUs from this range, all the affiliate links are in the description below, which will give us a small little kickback when making a purchase to help the running of this channel, to bring more content just like this. Well, if you liked this video, hit like. If you loved it, why not subscribe? I've been your host Jezy. I'll see you in another tech video very soon. Take care. Goodbye.